How to duplicate multi-point keys. First of all, enter universal key duplicate. Select multi-point key. Click for the next step. Go on the next step. It has a tip. Don't forget to clean the platform for the clamp. Click OK. How to clamp the key depending on the guiding picture. If installation is ready, please click OK. Continue. We can control the movement by this view, and then we'll move the probe. Please click the arrow and aim at the center of the first point. Click OK and confirm the first position. It is turn to choose the second position. Click upward. Move the clamp to the right position. Click the arrow and confirm the center of the last position. Click OK and confirm the last position. Here we have to choose the cuts. How many cuts should we choose? Let's count how many points on the key. 7 points in all. And click the next in order to identify the depth of every point. If all finished, and then we'll click Cut. Before cutting, we have to change the special cutter. Application will teach you by every step. If ready, please install the key blank. Click Cut. It looks perfect.